Good morning and afternoon, everybody. I really wish that we could be together in person today, and I really look forward to doing that again in the near future. But for now, we will make best use of video technology, and I hope that these sessions will give you some insight into what we are doing. Our primary responsibility in product management is to be the guardians of the product and the voice of the customer. And that means always being mindful of who we are building the product for, what problem are we trying to solve with it, and how do we support and enable digital-first way of thinking, working, and making decisions. And so with that in mind, I want to tell you just a little bit about some of our achievements over the last 12 months. A quick view into just a few things that I think you will get very excited about. So let's get right into it. I want to begin with sales and event management. We have one goal with this product, and that is to help hotel sales teams win. And we do this by providing them with a platform that has sales-driven and intuitive workflows, which makes performance of tasks easier and allows them to respond to the client faster. We also help sales teams win by making prospecting easier. When all the relevant data is together, can be accessed easily, and does not require transformation in order to make sense, it makes it a lot easier to action. And that makes decision-making that much faster. In the last 12 months, we have added features that support more effective performance management, such as sales manager goals for group and transient markets, as well as events and activities. So it is now even easier to track actual production against budgets and goals, giving greater visibility into team productivity. We have also added Can-Be Meeting Room, or alternate meeting rooms, as we like to call it. This is a recent, I would say, pandemic-inspired innovation for us. We have heard from our customers over the last year that they have a lot of unused inventory on a daily basis. So those hotels have started pivoting some of their guest room inventory into meeting rooms or offices. So we added this new functionality to offer sales and event management that allows those typical bedrooms to be used as meeting rooms, and they will appear in the function diary just like a regular meeting room. Really an excellent way for hotels to generate some additional revenues. In our reservations area, or look to book screens, we added total cost of stay calculations, making it easier for reservation agents to communicate that information to the guests. We also added controls for advanced daily rates, as well as daily item inventory, providing hotels with more pricing options for greater support of their revenue management practices. In loyalty and CRM, we wanted to make it easier for users to access guest profile information, because we know that if something is easy to do, it will be done more consistently. So we improved all areas of the UI where profile details are shown. We also supported partner innovation opportunities by enabling profile lookup and download, as well as membership enrollment from partner loyalty solutions directly in Opera Cloud. We also invested in AI-driven innovation, such as automated room assignment, removing those cumbersome manual tasks and increasing operational efficiencies. We also leveraged Oracle Digital Assistant with the new Opera Cloud chatbot functionality. This feature allows a user to type or speak a command directly into their mobile phone and have the assistant respond back immediately. Some of the commands in the initial release are things such as view or change room status and check hotel occupancy for those employees on the go. We are also always investing in the overall Opera Cloud platform, and in the last 12 months have added things such as simple migration utility for those customers that want to import some of their future data as they migrate into Opera Cloud. We also improved the user experience in all areas of the application, constantly optimizing the workflows based on the evolving customer demands. One of the most exciting team accomplishments is in the area of integration. It truly was a complete team effort. You will hear about integrations a little bit later, but over the last 12 months, we delivered over 3,000 REST APIs, making it easier than ever for our customers and partners to innovate by easily consuming all the data that Opera has. Our partners in food and beverage completed Symphony Transaction Services Generation 2, which again supports innovation across the entire partner and customer community. They also completed the reporting and analytics platform, as well as business intelligence APIs. Similarly, Opera Cloud reporting and analytics went through a transformation. The delivering a brand new framework and UI using modern technologies to support all areas of the hotel with easy access to reports, dashboards, and data, all with the goal enabling faster, more accurate decision-making. For our users in front office operations, we added options for customization of check-in workflows. We also achieved compliance for new credit card mandates. And last but not least, we completed Opera Cloud Casino Edition, which adds comp accounting and player tracking system integration to our core Opera Cloud products. I don't know how many of you remember this, but less than 18 months ago at Connect in San Diego, I stood on the stage and said, casinos, we are coming for you. And here we are. This is a very dynamic, ever-changing market, and we can't wait to see where else this journey takes us. And we're also very excited to start engaging with our global customers serving this segment very soon. Now let's talk about what we will be working on for the next 12 months. Our roadmap is really how we, the teams in product management and development, contribute to the success of our customers. And seeing our customers be successful is what inspires us and what drives us to do better and be more creative and innovative every single day. Our 12-month roadmap and also longer-term plans for new features and functionality is what we constantly design and plan and replan and prioritize and then reprioritize. Because we know that when we innovate, you can elevate the guest experience, elevate the employee experience, elevate the overall success of your business. So I want to review with you today just a few items that we have coming up in our next few releases. So we will start again with sales and event management. And as I said a few minutes ago, we have one goal with sales and event management, and that is to help hotel sales teams win. That's it, full stop. It is what the team is focused on every single day. So with that goal in mind, we will be adding new functionality that will assist with lead management and prospecting. We will also have additional partner marketplace integrations, extending the hotel's reach into the overall group and events community. And last but not least, we are working on account forecasts and potentials for easy tracking and performance management of accounts across all segments. In reservations, and to help support cross-property selling or larger call centers, we will be focusing on improving overall reservation workflows that help maximize overall revenue per reservation while still keeping talk times down. We have spent the last 12 to 18 months reviewing and going deep into reservation processes. How do we improve efficiency? How do we make it easier for the agent to get the right offer to the right customer? We observed reservation agents on property, in regional offices, and at a few call centers. We sat on what seems like hundreds and hundreds of different calls just to understand how people work. What questions does the guest ask? How does the agent respond? What information do they look for? And what we observed was that unless it was a repeat guest, the conversation usually started fairly broad and then narrows down more and more and more until the right offer is found. So our enhanced reservation screen will allow exactly for that. For multi-property searches, it will have additional filters for things such as rate range and amenities that really help narrow down the selection of properties, and then displays full rates and room types, making it easy to select just the right combination for the guest. We will also be introducing what we call blended rates. This will allow for a single reservation to be made with multiple or different rates, making it easy and fast to book a reservation for a guest that may be looking to extend a business trip with a few leisure room nights afterwards. In the area of loyalty and CRM, we want to support the modernization and transformation of guest recognition, communication, and loyalty that the industry as a whole is going through right now. And to do that, we are redesigning our member dashboard and adding more data points to the screen, making it very easy for any Opera Cloud user to quickly and easily pull up guest information regardless of customer touchpoint. In addition, we will also be introducing pay with points functionality, which will be available both at time of reservation and at checkout, as well as consumption of benefit certificates for things such as room upgrades or amenity. a really great way to reward those loyal travelers. Even more AI-driven innovation is coming to our platform, with more skills being added to Opera Cloud Digital Assistant, including check-in and check-out, all aimed at making tasks get done faster or with fewer resources. And we also want to leverage the power of Nor1 and its AI engine Prime, bringing machine learning and even more innovation to Opera Cloud. Our overall platform continues to evolve with more tools and performance capabilities, reducing downtimes and making upgrades more seamless. And we are really taking things to the next level with integrations again, with things such as streaming APIs, as well as continuous expansion of capabilities, including enterprise integrations. Food and beverage areas of the hotel will get additional support from Symphony with multi-channel ordering capabilities and advanced integration to Opera Cloud, bringing F&B and room operations even closer together. For our operations team and in our core property management functions, we continue to make workflows faster, easier, and with more customization and standardization options. We're also working on functionality that will support new business models, such as vacation ownership and owner room rotations. And we're always looking for ways to simplify and also automate some routine, repeatable processes, such as postings or status changes, so that the hotel can spend less time on tasks and more time with the guest. And finally, within reporting and analytics, a completely redesigned user interface and additional subject areas for effective management and performance measurement. In all areas of Opera Cloud Platform, focus continues to be on our hotel customers and their stakeholders, such as owners, employees, and guests, and their unique experiences, with an even greater focus on operational efficiencies, customer satisfaction, and revenue generation. And so we continue to enhance Opera Cloud by always keeping in mind those goals and objectives, staying closely aligned to changing market needs, and helping support our customers as they innovate right along beside us. Thank you, and I hope to see you again soon.